Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up your Roku remote control to control the volume on your TV. You can only do this with a remote that has the volume buttons on the side, because I'm using a Roku Ultra voice remote. So to set up your Roku remote to control volume, go to settings, scroll down to remotes and devices, press OK. Remote. Now go to voice remote pro, press OK. Set up remote for TV control, and then go to IR setup, press OK in your remote. You will get this menu. It says confirm your TV brand. It depends on your model. Sometimes you will see different options. You just follow the instructions on your TV screen. Confirm you want to set up your Roku remote to control the power and volume on your Samsung brand TV, because I have connected my Roku player to my Samsung TV. So I'm gonna say yes, I have a Samsung TV. Next, is music playing? Okay, perfect. So the music is playing on my TV, and I'm gonna click yes. Do you still hear the music? Yes. Is the music still playing? Yes. Are you still hearing music? Yes. Continue setting up remote. Yes. Do you still hear the music? Yes. Is the music still playing? No, because the music has stopped. Okay, perfect. So just press OK and you're done. Now I can use my Roku remote buttons on the side to control the volume up, volume down. You can also mute. I can also turn off my Roku device. Turn it back on. So that's it, guys. That's what I wanted to share with you today. Don't forget to subscribe if it's the first time you're watching my videos, and see you in the next one.